Hello viewers, my name is Faisal Shafi and you are watching Horror Tone Scary Stories. Viewers, today's story topic The Hollow Curse. In village wrapped in cold silence, one soul had been awaited. This is Thomas' story. Thomas was a spiritual boundary breaker, a rare kind of medium who could release souls trapped between worlds. Over the year, he had faced malicious ghosts, grieving spirits, even entire haunted mansions. But when a letter arrived without a name, sealed with centuries, old wax, summoning him to the forgotten village of Black Hawk, he felt a chill unlike any before. They are trapped in time. Only the one who knows no fear can set them free. No maps carried the name anymore. The village had been abandoned for over the decade. Some whispered about a mass suicide, an entire population that vanished overnight. Bodies were never found. Others claimed time itself refused to touch the place. As night clogged the sky, Thomas drove past broken mile markers and wilted trees until the highlights met a wooden sign barely hanging by a nail. Welcome to Black Hawk. The chill deepened, shadows moved without source. The air was thick, like walking through memories that didn't belong to him. The moonlight couldn't pierce the blackness. Crickets were silent. Only the wind whistled, hollow and desperate. At the village's heart stood a decrepit tavern, curiously more intact than on any other structure. Its windows were shattered, but lanterns inside flickered faintly, as if the building breathed. Only the wall, written in faded blood, "Here time died." Thomas clutched his talisman. It flickered dimly. Something was suppressing its power. He felt eyes, not one but many watching, judging, hungry. Inside the tavern, inside the tavern, Inside the tavern, a small girl stood barefoot, her head twisted upside down. Her voice was distorted whisper. "They want freedom, all of them." The doors slammed shut. Floorboards cracked as footsteps echoed with no form. This was not hunting, it was a curse, a spiritual time prison. Anyone who entered forgot how to leave. The reason no one can run was simple. They couldn't. Their sense of time, urgency, even fear was trapped. In the tavern basement, Thomas discovered a hidden spiral staircase lined with stone symbols and iron chains, each step protected by a bound soul. A dusty, crimson stained book waited there. It read, "When the sky touches the final stair, Time shall breathe again. To ascend, Thomas had to give memories to every spirit on each step. Fragments of his past dreams fear. In exchange, the soul allowed him to pause, but the whispered their stories into his mind. Burned villages, patriarch lovers, forgotten gods. As he climbed higher, time around him accelerated. His own life began flashing before him, disjointed, unafraid. At the final stair stood the Time Warden, a ghost clock in the ashes of a once living city. She spoke with no mouth, and yet her voice echoed in every corner of his mind. I am time itself. Sacrifice your soul, and the village shall live, but you will become its new keeper. Thomas didn't hesitate. A faint smile crossed his lips, and he pressed the last fragment of his essence into her translucent hands. A scream burst across the sky, and then voice. Doors opened, lanterns lit, dust turned into air. The village signed in release. Morning broke for the first time in years. At the village edge, a rusted poster fluttered in the wind. The ink barely legible. Black Hawk, where time moved again. But Thomas never left. As the screen faded to black, faint whisper echo. Another visitor will come. Time always need a keeper.